Hello, my gorgeous gastronomes. Welcome to T-Rex Steel City Mukbang. Where will this food journey take you today? Pull up a seat. Let's eat. Hello, guys. How are you? Happy Monday. So glad it's over. Almost. Well, let me go ahead and thank you guys first before I start any explanations. Thank you, all of my subscribers. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you guys. Anyone who has not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. It will help me, okay? Don't you want to help me? Thank you, guys. All right. We have two times spicy noodles. This will be my second attempt of trying the 2 times spicy noodles. I'm going to show you a clip in a little while of the last time I tried the 2 times spicy noodles. I'll run that clip for you in just a few seconds here. I have some eggs, fried eggs, some spinach, some seaweed strips, and some tofu. Okay, as you know, we're starting a new series today, and it is called Mukbang Food and Weight Management. Mukbang Food and Weight Management. Eat what you want and still lose weight. Eat what you want and still lose weight. Mukbang Food and Weight Management series. I will be explaining to you, we probably won't do it every day, but I will let you know when it is part of the series. I'll be explaining some ways that you can eat what you want doing your mukbangs and still manage your weight. So I'm going to open my seaweed strips first. All right. So what I did here with this meal, seaweed strips. What I did with this meal, since I knew that the 2 times spicy noodles have 545 calories in this one pack. 545 calories. That's an entire meal in itself. That's an entire meal. So, given that, with that being said, what I did was created a meal around that 500 calories. Here's the 500 calories, and here. And I created a meal around that with some spinach. So I'll take a bite now. Spinach, some eggs, and tofu. Now those 3 things, the spinach, the eggs, and the tofu, I'm going to say it comes to around 300 calories. Plus the 545. So now we're at 845. Which still isn't too bad for a meal. As long as you didn't eat a bunch of junk the rest of the day. Okay, so we're going to continue to talk a little bit more about it, but I definitely want to show you that clip now.
Me, the Spice Queen, intimidated by the 2-time spicy noodles.
It's pretty hilarious.
For the first time on YouTube channel, Still City Mukbang.
These noodles almost killed me the first time. But I'm back, and I am going to try it again. So, there you see. I didn't do very well. I didn't do very well, but I'm getting ready to try this right now. I know it's just as hot as it was before, so here we go. I'm just hoping that I have built up some tolerance. I think I have built up a little tolerance. I think so. Not nearly as bad as the first time. Not yet. Some of that sauce is still on the bottom here, so we'll see. Once I get that sauce out of the bottom, I'll give another comment about it. Okay. Still pretty hot, guys. It's still pretty hot. However, like I said, not as bad as before. Definitely not. It has taken me some months to build up tolerance. But I did it. They are so good. It's just like I said, there's so many calories in it. It's not something you would want to eat every day. So, you know, if you're really trying to watch your weight while you're doing mukbangs, just try to manage how often you would add these noodles into your mukbang. Mandarin orange. No, I lied. Orange mimosa. Very good. So, to give you an idea, of what the rest of my meals look like today, because I knew I was going to have this. I had 1 waffle and 2 boiled eggs for breakfast with some fruit. And a couple peppers. Mini sweet peppers. That was breakfast. I had a small snack later on, which was another mini pepper and 1 boiled egg. So, I'm not counting calories. I didn't count calories the first time I lost 70 pounds either. I didn't count calories. I just made sure I worked out. I did something. Walked, rode the bike, lifted weights for sure. You've got to incorporate some weight-bearing type of routine. Why? Because the more muscle that you build, the more fat you can burn. Muscle is active. So it uses a lot of energy in your body. So it keeps the metabolism going. The more muscle you have, your body is working. And as long as your body's working, you're going to be burning up fat. That's the goal. I am trying to lose 30 pounds by October. And continue right along doing my mukbangs. With just a few tweaks here and there. Now, like I said, the series will not be every day. I'll skip some days just so that we can have other topics to discuss and have some ASMRs and things like that. Because for those of you who are in excellent shape and don't desire to lose any weight, I don't want you to get bored. However, even if you are in great shape, the healthy eating tips that I'm hoping to give you can still benefit you, can help you maintain your healthy weight. So you may not want to tune out either. This series is going to take the place of the Spotlight Channel of the Week for a little while. Just for a little while. Because as the days go and the weeks go, I hope to be able to bring you a little bit more and more information each time. I'm going to try to keep up with everything on a mukbang and working too. It can get hectic, so we're going to fit this series in. In place of the Spotlight Channel. Like I said, just for a little while. I cannot believe how my tolerance has been built up over all these months. It's still burning me. Trust me, it is still burning me. But nothing like before. Another good tip that I have for you is while you're eating, when you start to feel full, stop. Stop eating if you start to feel full. You won't believe how well that works for weight management. It really, really does work. Hoping not to splash any of this in my eye. I forgot to put my glasses on. Go figure. Ooh. Oh, that went right up my nose. Hot pepper. Oh, God. Okay. I made it. You saw me eat 2 times spicy noodles. With only flinching a little bit. Maybe next time I'll do even better. I'm going to sign out, guys. Peace out, my gastronomes. I will see you soon.